Here's problem 1 from the 2012 AMC 8. Rochelle uses 3 pounds of meat to make 8 hamburgers for her family. How many pounds of meat does she need to make 24 hamburgers for a neighborhood picnic? The choices are 6, 6 2/3, 7 1/2, 8, and 9. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, see how many times bigger the picnic batch is. 24 hamburgers divided by 8 hamburgers is 3. So she's making 3 times as many hamburgers. Since she needs 3 times as many hamburgers, she needs 3 times as much meat. That's 3 times 3 pounds, which is 9 pounds. So Rochelle needs 9 pounds of meat. The answer is 9, which is choice E.